Okay, Bismillah folks. Okay, welcome back. We're looking at the SATS 2011 A paper, calculator not allowed. Okay, we're looking at the first 16 questions. I need everybody to pay attention, please. Put your name on there. Okay, we have Holly, Dev and Joe on the phone. Question number 1. Holly made a number using these digit cards. No shouting out, please, folks. This is not a shouting, screaming session. We're not in a zoo. Okay, Holly made a number using these digit cards. The 100th digit is greater than 4. Can we be quiet, please? Yeah? Holly's number is odd. If the 100th digit is greater than 4, so we have our units, we have our tens. Something has gone slow here. Hang on, I think I know what's happening. Alright. Well, now just kind of what the problem was. It was the virus kind of ring at the same time. That's all. It's working better now. And hundreds. So, if you make the 100th digit greater than 4, what can it be? It can be an 8. Why does it need to be an 8? Because it says the number is odd, so the 5 has to go at the end. So put the 4 there. So the number is 845. That's done. Write one number from each circle to make this calculation correct. Something times by something, take away something is equal to nothing. So what should we start with? Time by
8
minus
14.
Okay, that works. So 5 times by 8 is 40, and then we minus the 40, that will give you
0.
Or what else are you thinking? 5 times by 6 is
30.
minus 30 is
0.
that's also good as well. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Okay, I want to show you how these questions can be done. Okay, class 6, collect litter from a park. This chart shows some of the litter they have collected so far. So we have one bottle represents 100 bottles, one picture of a can, 100 cans, and so forth, 100 bags. How many bottles have class 6 collected? So that's 100, 200, 300, 400, and?
500.
No. Half of 100, which is? 450. The next question says how many more bags than cans have been collected? So bags is going to be 100, 200, 300, 400 and what's that?
450.
425. Because that's quarter of a picture. Quarter of 125. Okay, how many bags and how many cans? Cans are going to be 100, 200 and?
300.
So we've got to work out the difference. So we have to do 425 minus the 300. That'll give you an answer of? Excellent, well done. Dev has 5 coins. He has £1.60 altogether. So what's one of his coins?
£1.
Coin. And then we have?
20.
Could we have 50p next?
No.
No? Okay. What do we have next? Give me another coin. 20p?
Yeah, another 20p, then 2 tens.
That's £1.20. And then another 10p. So that'll be £1.30.
No, another 20p.
Another 20p.
£1.
That's £1.40. And then?
2 tens.
And then 2 tens. That's just one way of doing it, yeah?
Done it. I did it.
Excellent. Okay, here are 6 shapes on a square grid. Write the letters of all the shapes that are squares. So how many squares do we have?
3.
We have A, so write the letters. So A is a square,
E and D.
D is a square, and E is a square. A, D,
E.
and E. Done. We happy with that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go to the next page.
Yeah. 15 more.
Okay. So Joe has a box of 72 chocolates. He gives 18 of the chocolates to his friend. How many chocolates are left in the box? What do we do for this calculation? 72 minus 18. So who's worth that half me? What's 72 minus 18?
54.
Okay, what is the technique for doing this kind of question? What do we do?
Borrow.
Borrow. That becomes 6. That becomes 12. 12 take away 8 is?
12 take away 18.
And then you have 6 over here. 6 take away 1 is? Yeah, Musab, is that what you said first? Yeah?
That's what it is.
Yes, what it is? So he has 54 sweets left. Holly has a box of mints. She has 10 friends. She gives them 5 mints each. So what's 10 times by 5, first of all?
50.
So 50 are given away, by the way.
And then I.
She got 13 left over.
That makes 60.
50 add the 13 gives us?
60.
There were 63 originally in the box. Finished. Holly takes half an hour to walk from home to school. She arrives at school at 8:25. What time did she leave home? So she left home not at 8 o'clock, but at 7:55. Okay, Dev leaves school at 3:30 when he's finishing school. He arrives home at 4:10. How long did it take? So from 3:30 to 4 o'clock, how many minutes is there?
13.
Okay, from 4 o'clock to 4:10, how many minutes is there?
10.
So how many minutes altogether?
14. Almost 14.
Excellent.
15. No.
Question number 8. The 4 sums below can be completed using only the numbers 1 to 8. Use each number once to complete the sums. Ooh, this can be a bit tricky. Okay, lovely. There's the answer. Okay, question number 9. Here is part of a number sequence. Number sequence is a number pattern. Zainab, the numbers in the sequence increase by 25 each time. So from here to here to here to here to here, we are adding 25. Circle all the numbers below that will appear in the sequence. So all the numbers that will be in this pattern. Will that be in the pattern 255?
No.
No. 650?
Yes.
Yes, because we've got a 15 here. All the 50s, all the 25 endings, and all the 75 endings. What about 35?
No.
What about 900?
Yes.
Yes. What about 995?
No.
No. You go circle them all. So let's press circle random.
Then.
Oops. It's supposed to be 900 passed over by this one. Okay, question number 10. Shade 2 squares and 1 triangle to make the design symmetrical about the midline. I want you all to have a go at it first yourself. I'm not going to give you the answer. Everybody have a go at that question yourself. You go shade 2 squares and 1 triangle to make the design symmetrical. So you got to put 2 squares on this side and a triangle on this side. So when you flick this shape from here to here, it looks the same. It's a mirror image. Okay? So I am going to do this off camera. I'm going to switch the projector off for a second temporarily. And then I'm going to do it now and then put it back on again. So there's your 2 squares and there's your triangle.
Yes. My projector takes about 2 hours.
Okay, quickly mark it. If you haven't got it on there, put it on there now.
It's only worth it. Oh man.
Okay, question number 11. We're back on now, folks. So write the correct sign. Quiet. Write the correct sign equals, greater than or less than in each circle. So we're looking at inequalities now. So 9 times by 3 is?
27.
8 times by 4 is?
28.
So 27 is? less than 32. What's 9 minus 3?
6.
8 minus 4? 4. So 6 is greater than or bigger than. So 9 add 3 is 12. 8 add 4 is 12. So they both are
Equal.
So 9 divided by 3 is,
3.
and 8 divided by 4 is,
2.
so 3 is bigger.
Yeah.
Done. Question number 12. Dev and Joe each buy a book. Dev pays with a £5 note and gets £1.5. So how much does the book cost him? If he, not £4, £3. 95. Yeah? Because you do £5, take away £1 is £4. Take away another 5p gives us £3. So we know straight away that he paid £3.95. And Joe's book cost £7. The question was, how much more does Joe's book cost than Dev's book? So Dev's is £3.95. So the calculation is £7 minus £3.95. What's £7 take with £4? What's £7 take with £4? £3. So the answer will be £3 and 5 pence. Excellent. Done. So £7 take with £3.95 will give us £3 and 5 pence. And that's the end of that question. I think this is it. What? That one? More? Is this one now, yeah? Okay. Here are some shapes on a 1 centimeter square grid. What is the perimeter of shape A? What does the word perimeter mean? Huh? Perimeter is the outside of the shape. So we can start from this corner over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the perimeter of shape A is 14. 14 centimeters. 14. Get messy there. Write the letter. Hang on a second. Hang on. Write the letter of the shape that has the smallest area. Now, what is the area?
The inside.
The inside. Okay, right. So, yeah. Okay. Right, we are going to work it out. I don't want anybody shouting at the answer. Remember what we did before the beginning. This is not a shouting session. We are not in Tri-Cross Zoo. Okay? So the area here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for this one. That's the area of 6. Resume recording. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and these two make 1. And these two make 1. So we got 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. These two make 1, 4. That makes 1, that's 5. And these two make 1, that makes 6. So far everything is 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 5, and that one's definitely 6. You can see that's 6. So smallest area is which shape?
C.
Don't you see? The answer is C. So Joe places some apples on a weighing scale. The pointer shows the mass of the apples. He takes away 1 apple. The mass goes down by 120 grams. So put the pointer at the right place. So let's have a look. 700, 720, 740, 760. So we got 760. And we have to minus from that 120.
600.
Okay. So that will give us 640. So 640 will be here. That one's done. One more page left.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, right. Question number 15 now. Holly says 1/3 of the shape is shaded. Now, what we need to do first of all, we need to put the shape here into the same triangles. Now, how many triangles do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals shaped size triangles. How many shaded? 2. And she says 1/3 is shaded. Now 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So is she right? Yes. So what do we say? We say here that 2/6 is give me is the same as 1/3. Okay, last but not least, question number 16. This chart shows the favorite snacks of some boys and girls. The girls are the light grey, the boys are the dark grey. How many snacks were chosen by more girls than boys? How many? So we're looking for the light grey bar being darker, which is in this one. Okay, the light grey is bigger. That one smaller, smaller, smaller. What about fruit bar? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And that one, yeah? So how many of them are they? How many snacks? 2. Okay. How many more boys than girls chose raisins? So the boys was how many? 10, 11. 11 boys. How many girls on the top? 2, 4, 6, and 1 is 7. So 11 minus the 7 to work out the difference will give us 4. Okay, which snack was chosen by twice as many boys as girls? So we have here twice as many boys as girls. So this is 2, 4, 5. 5, and this one's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Is it banana? Yeah? Banana? We're going to have a banana? Banana? Banana. Minion food. Done.